There we go. Maybe it wasn't all that while. I don't know if it was recording. Here we go. There they are. They're all in the rub-a-dub-dub. On the new water trampoline, but it looks like it needs more air. They're having a good time. There goes Michael. I think he's going to just push them out into the deep. What kind of a father is that? There's Bo playing with his ball. There's Martha sitting here with me, keeping an eye on things. Alright, here we go.
There goes the ball.
Bobby doesn't even know his ball went in the water. Look at those kids. What is their father doing to those poor little children? Grammy's going to have to get up and take care of this situation. Bobby, get your ball. Get your ball, Bob. Get it, Bo. Whoa! I guess the kids are going to get out. There's Bo. Here they come. You couldn't get out? Comes Christopher. Ashley. Sean's in the water trampoline. There's Daddy. Daddy's trying to get up the ladder. Forget it.
Now he's spitting out all that water.
Back up. Beautiful day. Here we are sitting here relaxing. Get away from me, Bo.
It's cold now.
Where's the blankie? Where's the towel?
There's your towel. Here comes Bo with his ball. No.
Oh, he got on it. Nice slide. Sean's trying to help him in. He's stuck.
Oh, he's trying to get on. He's trying to get Sean.
He's stuck there. What's up?
Oh, right there in the slide.
There you go. Whoa! And there goes the ball. So funny.
Oh, warm me up a little bit. Right there.
Oh.
Shake it off. Make sure it hurts because it's hit.
Alright, I think